Where's the letter B? Where's the B? There's the B. Good job. Where's E? What letter is that? Where's E? Where is it? Where's E? There's E. E. Put it on there. Good job. What is that? What number is that? 2. What letter is that? What letter is that? S. Good job. What letter? Z. Good job. What number is that? What number is that? Can you find me M? Where's M? Where's M at, Ansley? Where's M? M. Where's M? Good job. M. Can you find me the number 3? Good job. 3. 3. Can you find me W? Where's W? There's W. Good job. Put it on there. Good job, baby. Where's Y? Y. There's Y. Where's E? E's already on there. Can you find me U? Where's U? U. There's U. Good job. Where's number 5? Where's 5? Where's 5? There's 5. Good job. Where's the star? Where's the star? There's the star. Your fish? We forgot your fish, huh? Where is it?